Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Runway AI text to video. So if you want to turn simple text prompts into AI generated videos, just follow along. First, download and open the Runway app on your phone. After that, sign into your account or create one if you're new to Runway. Runway offers a free plan, so you can try its AI video generation tools without paying. Just keep in mind that free accounts come with limited creations and some features may require a subscription. Once you're logged in, tap Create Video and then choose the Text to Video option. Now enter a prompt describing the video you want to generate. For example, you could type something like a cinematic drone shot flying over snowy mountains at sunrise. The more detailed your prompt is, the better results you will get. After entering your prompt, tap Generate and wait for Runway to create the video. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your prompt. And once the video is ready, preview it and see if it matches what you had in your mind. And if needed, you can edit your prompt and generate another version as well. Once you're happy with the result, tap Export or Save to download the video to your device. And that's how to use Runway AI text to video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.